So you notice that your household is not following the cleaning schedule you created. Which step in the management process helps you address this issue? Of course, ito nga yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, di ba? Pag hindi nasusunod yung isang bagay, you have to intervene. That's why, dyan papasok si controlling or monitoring process. Okay? Ayan, controlling or monitoring process because this is where the time that uh, we're going to correct their controlling pest. Okay? Kasi parang peste nga rin naman talaga sila kung 'di ba hindi nasusunod yung trabaho na gusto mo. Okay? So, kino-correct mo sila or mino-monitor mo sila if tama or mali. Okay? Okay? Kung in another term, you're ensuring uh if their works align with the plan that you have. Okay? Next, after completing the week's schedule, you reflect on the work on what worked and what didn't in balancing your time. Which step are you practicing? Okay, di ba? Sobrang dali lang naman ang tanong. Okay, controlling is monitoring. Sorry. Wala ako ng slide. Okay. So evaluating. Okay. So sa evaluating, nag-involve ang reviewing of outcome. Okay. Next, reflect, evaluate. Okay, very good. Reflect, evaluate. Okay. Now, next core topic, family resources management. Okay, let's identify the different family resources, human, material, and non-material. Okay. Next question. The Santos family. Okay, di ba sabi sa inyo, okay lang makakita kayo ng mahabang tanong dito kasi mas mahaba pa sa board exam. Okay, the Santos family is preparing for a small party at home. The parents cook at the food, the children decorate the house and help serve the dishes, and the grandparents share stories and traditions to make the gathering meaningful. They also use their savings to buy ingredients and decorations. Which of the following statements correctly identifies the types of family resources used in this scenario? Okay, tignan niyo natin kung alam na. Human cooking, decorating, storytelling. Sa material resources, savings, food, decorations. Sa non-materials, traditions, and emotional support. Una pa lang, alam na ang tamang sagot. Okay? Very good. It's letter A. Okay? It's letter A. Bakit? Alamin natin. Okay. Type of resource, human, material, and non-material. Okay, pag sinabing human resources, teachers, ito yung skills, abilities, and efforts of the family members. For example, nagbigay ng guidance si parents, okay? When children ask for help, okay? What else? The grandparents' wisdom, okay? So, these are the abilities, efforts, knowledge, wisdom, no? Na meron sa human, okay? Next, material. Pag sinabing tangible, nahahawakan. Okay? Nahahawakan. Tangible, nahahawakan. Resources used to meet the family needs. What are those? Money, houses, furniture, appliances, food, and clothing. Okay? Pag sinabing ano niya lang, tandaan niyo lang sa human, ano siya, uh, sa brain and skills or sa galaw ng tao. Okay? Efforts. Okay? Abilities. Okay? Pag sinabi ng non-material, intangible. Ibig sabihin ng intangible, hindi nahahawakan. Okay? Tangible, nahahawakan. Intangible, hindi nahahawakan na resources, pero nakakontribute pa rin sa overall well-being ng isang tao. Ano yon? Love, values, traditions, time, emotional support, and cooperation. So, yan ang type of resources, no, na, uh, na kailangan natin sa family resources management. Okay? We need to identify the three. Okay? Next, kasi madali lang naman yun. Next core topic, home and household management. Okay, we need to demonstrate proper care and maintenance of the home. Okay, teachers, kung naglilinis talaga kayo ng bahay, very basic ang tanong na to sa home economics pagdating yun ng board exam. Practice work simplification, techniques, and household task. Okay, question. You're given the task. Okay, you're given the task to clean the guest room. Bottle cups and coins are scattered on the carpeted floor. Which which should you use to pick up the bottles, cups, and coins? Letter A, whisk broom, carpet sweeper, A, vacuum, or bare hands? Bakit kaya bare hands? Bakit? Hindi kaya siya ergonomically hazard because you need to kneel down or you have to bend your body? Hmm? Bakit bare hands? O bakit naman carpet sweeper? Kasi ano, higupin niya, gano'n. What is pag-isipan niyo sagot niyo. Letter D ba or letter oh, letter D or letter B? Ang sabi sa MELTS, practices work simplification techniques in household task. Ano sagot niya? May coin kasi. Kasi pag bariya, pupulutin mo. Pero pag kalat, ano, vacuum, sipa, ganon. Oh, okay. The answer here is bare hands. Bottles, cups, and coins, di ba? They are too big for the vacuum, di ba? Sa hose ng vacuum, masyado silang malaki. What else? Pwede silang bumara inside the vacuum, di ba? Pwede silang bumara doon. So, the most appropriate technique or the most simplified techniques na gawin to is pick it up using your bare hands. Okay, very good. Analyze the questions. Oh, ito na. Okay, sa home management kasi teachers, okay, sa proper care and maintenance of the homes, hindi lang ito about sa paglilinis. Okay, dito na papasok actually lahat. Okay, dito na siya papasok actually lahat. Okay, oh. Sa home management, okay, planning and organizing and implementing and evaluating. Okay, sa planning, uh, for example, nakakita ka ng ah, ng isang bagay o isang parte sa isang parte ng bahay niyo na parang kailangan niya ng ano, ayusin, kailangan niya ng maintenance, okay? You have to plan, okay? What is your goal? Okay? And then organize. Who who are the family members that you will be assigning or you will be assigning on that specific task, no? Para ma-achieve yung task na yan. Okay, implementing, gagawin na natin yung trabaho. And evaluating, maganda ba? Anong mali sa ginawa natin? Tama ba yung ginawa natin? Okay? 'Di ba? Dito siya papasok lahat yung napag-usapan natin. Family resources, organization, okay, resource management, yan. And magiging cost nung proper care ng house natin. Okay? Sa family resources, dito yung human, material, and non-materials. Okay? Yung abilities, skills ng members, ng family members sa human, knowledge or wisdom sa pag-aayos ng nasirang bagay o sa pinaplano nating ayusin, materials. Ang sabi natin kanina sa materials, ano yun? Okay, tangible resources, money, okay, food, clothing. Diba? Ibig sabihin sa materials, ano matutulong niya sa proper care and maintenance ng bahay natin? Okay, of course, if we need something to fix, we need materials na gagamitin, money, kung may bibilhin, materials, 'di ba? Oh, 'yan kailangan natin sa ang family resources. Next, non-materials. Ano 'to mga 'to? Support, 'di ba? Balikan natin yung non-materials kanina. Values, tradition, emotional support, and cooperation, 'di ba? O sabi doon cooperation para ma-achieve natin yung proper care and maintenance ng bahay. Okay? Next. Sa proper care and maintenance ng bahay, bakit kailangan natin siya i-maintain? For the safety and security ng family members. Okay? For example, pintuan, yung locks ng alarms, 'di ba? What else? Yung mga hazard prevention, yung mga wires, no, physical hazard, 'di ba? Mga chemicals. Okay? Diyan siya papasok. At consequentially, okay? Pag 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 hindi maayos yung mga locks o alarms ng bahay natin, yung safety and security natin what do you call this? Ano yung term na yan? Maka-compromise. Okay? Pero pag maayos at safety, maayos ang safety and security natin, of course, we are well protected inside of our home. Okay? Next, hygiene and cleanliness. Okay? Okay, consequentially din, okay, pag malinis, may pest control, iwas sa sakit. Okay? Next, nawala. Okay, resource management. Dito na yung water, pagtitipid, tamang paggamit ng mga energies. Okay? Okay, papasok din dito sa organization, decluttering. Dito papasok si 5S. Okay? Papasok din dito si 5S, tsaka si 5R. Okay? Si 5S, sa proper care and maintenance teachers, kaya ilang beses na namin tinuro yan sa inyo ni Sir Chan, yung 5S and 5R, ilang beses na namin tinuro yan. Papasok yan dito sa household management, especially here sa proper care and maintenance of the home. Okay, sa organizing and decluttering, papasok dyan si 5S and 5R. Okay? So, si 5R dito rin siya sa resource management. Okay? So, overall, pag na-achieve natin yan, what would be the result? There will be a comfort and harmony inside of our home. Yes, I'm very sure na lalabas ang 5S. Hindi nawawala si 5S sa lahat ng season.